been snowing steadily for 2 days in Denbigh, but the snow isn't sticking. So in order to see what the snow is really like, I thought I'd take a walk up here to the Clwydian Hill Fort of Penycloddiau. This is about as far as I'm prepared to take the car, really, because the road is getting a bit dodgy. So the rest of the way will have to be on foot. Let's go and take a look. This way. Well, I'm knackered already. I haven't even got to the car park yet. Looks a long way up there. Well, at least I've made it to the car park. It's all uphill from here. Do you remember that forest we saw above us earlier on the road? This is it. And now it goes up again. Well, we're about halfway to the summit and the weather seems to be closing in. Let's hope it stays off until we get there, which is of course upwards. All I can see at the moment is white, white and more white. It's very, very white. By George, I think we're here. So I said to myself, Bill, because that's my name, I said, why don't you go to Penycloddiau while it's snowing and you can get some beautiful panoramic views of the lovely Vale of Clwyd, dusted with snow like a freshly laundered linen sheet. What can I see? Sod all. Ladies and gentlemen, behold the beautiful Vale of Clwyd. You know, it's ridiculously white up here. I dare say if you didn't know your way around these parts, you could quite easily get lost. Oh, it's got to be time for something to eat, isn't it? Oh, lovely. A nice steaming mug of cream of vegetable soup. It's started to snow again now and I think the light's going, so I'd best start making my way back after this. Or my wife will have kittens. See you next time. it this way?